They are proud to say you are their governor. Forget whatever anybody says about you. I said it before, Wike, a man with a fierce look, but a good heart. A good heart. A heart of will to accomplish, to love, and to support. Majority of your enemies today are not against you because of anything. They are against you because they know you have capacity. They are against you because they know where you take over, they will fall apart. For me, before I come to the commissioning, I want to believe that His Excellency Atiku Abubakar is not against you. But let me say this quickly. A lot of people surrounding the throne are enemies of the throne. A lot of people surrounding the throne have one axe to grind with somebody or some issues with somebody, and they take it to where they are not supposed to take it. There's no living being in this party and outside this party that will not acknowledge your contribution to this party. You are the soul of this party. Even till now, what you do, how many people does it? Your Excellency, there was a time in this party when I was the sitting governor. I was a nightmare to the APC and the Buhari's government. I was their nightmare. When you wake up, you see Fayose. Today now, when you open television, it's Wike. That time, because as your senior brother, I was a lion that time. But let me say, your good works will never go unrewarded. I have found out a lot of things. The people that are benefited with you are the people that pulls people down. The people you brought up, the people you labor day and night. The same people, no new people. So, when even sitting governors were decamping, sitting governors will wake up and say, we are gone. We stood the test of time. We never for one day look at the eyes of the APC or the opposition, but we tell them to the fact, we speak to power that this is not right. Your Excellency, the good man in the history of the Bible are always the enemies of the people who doesn't like the truth. Continue your best. Continue to do your best. Don't give up. I believe this party will come together. I believe the needful will be done, because winning an election is all that matters. Wike has not come out to say that Atiku Abubakar is not the presidential candidate. He is. I was there the second day after the election when our candidate, the former vice president, visited the house, visited the residence of Governor Wike. We had mutual conversation. We were all happy. Everything was in place to move forward. I spoke at that meeting. But we don't want to aggravate this situation. I'm only appealing to people that matters. In every political party, there will be groupings. Same family, but different interests. We can do better than we are doing. People around the corridor of power, please allow this candidate to win election. We don't celebrate victory until it is ours. Even in my state, they say Fayose is now Tinubu's man. Like I said, when people were decamping, sitting governors were decamping, I never did. Losing the Ekiti election, if I go into that now, we'll know the source, but it's not important because we must put things behind us and move forward. Some people believe that they have to destroy their leader before they can rise. If you are destroying any leader, you can't rise. So you might appear to be making waves. You can't rise. Wike is not a saint, neither am I one. And don't expect perfection from me. We will not come to Riverside and tell Wike what he wants to hear. We will speak our mind to ensure that we win collectively. But I remember I said something the day the candidate visited Governor Wike. I said, the knife is in your hand. The yam is in your hand. Cut it in a way that it will be edible. It's still not late. We can still achieve cohesion, inclusiveness. We can still stay together and win this election. Use the knife to cut the yam and make it edible. Don't tell people come to you and tell you that this does not matter. Leave them with their local politics. You are the man that wants to lead us. God will give you wisdom to rally everybody. Let me equally say to you, for anybody who's here saying, Fayose is this, Fayose is... My own son is a candidate in the party. He's a PDP candidate. Do I wish my son to fail? No. George Fayose is my son. With the last drop of my blood, I will stand by him. I came out to say it's the turn of the South. That is the position of that group at the time. And I want to say to you that everybody has a way to ventilate their anger. That is not enough to alienate and allow people who do not have substance to come and destroy the party that God has given to you as a candidate. Governor Wike is not saying he's the vice presidential candidate, and he's not looking for it. But it is important that winning this election is the ultimate. Let us win together. Let us win together. I believe in due course, this group will meet, and all their intention is let us win together. Let me close by saying this. What I'm here to commission in years to come will speak for you. Many people have resources. They can't spend it because they are not givers. It is not because you have the means, but you have the spirit to give, the spirit to support. You have been the lifeline of this party. Anybody wishing you away is an enemy of this party. Anybody wishing you away. Therefore, I appeal to His Excellency Atiku Abubakar and those in the corridor of power. Let us do more to unify the party. And to the glory of God, I am privileged to be here, to be invited to commission this project. This project, I'm even surprised. You are leaving in a few months, in less than a year. You are still saying they should bring drawings. You walk as if you are in a hurry with the speed of light to turn things around. God will bless you. Your labor of love will not be in vain. And I want to say, I am 62 years now. I am not looking for anything, because that local government chairman, when he was talking, I'm not looking for anything. No, God has been kind to me. I've been opportune to be governor twice, defeating incumbents at 2 different attempts. I will not jump bed. I am with Wike. I am with Wike. Wike is in PDP. I am in PDP.
Agreement is agreement, yo. Chai. Agreement is agreement, yo. It don't reach the time when we go talk, waiting, we settle. Agreement is agreement, yo.